Today, we're diving into how you can use ChatGPT to write compelling product descriptions that sell. If you're an online seller who wants to boost sales on your Amazon listing, Shopify listing, eBay listing, or any product listing you have on any marketplace, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's say I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate a product for a pair of wireless noise canceling earbuds and have a long lasting life. Watch how I phrase my request just to get the best results. Like so. See, ChatGPT provided a title that's both informative and appealing. It includes keywords that are likely to be searched by potential buyers. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm to show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now let's move on to writing a detailed product description. This is where you can really make your product shine. I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create a description that's not only descriptive, but also persuasive. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a product description for our wireless earbuds. Here's how I phrase it. Write a detailed and persuasive product description for the above wireless earbuds. Just right here, the one I prompted earlier, and this is how ChatGPT came up with. And here we go. Let's see how ChatGPT generated. So as you can see, notice how the description uses sensory words and highlights the benefits to the user. This is key in persuading customers to make a purchase. Finally, let's rewrite that description using bullet points. Bullet points can make the information more digestible and scan-friendly, which is perfect for quick online browsing. Here's how we can ask ChatGPT to convert our description into bullet points. So here's my prompt. Convert the above product description into bullet points, focusing on key features. So let's see how ChatGPT's results will be. And there you have it. A concise bullet point list that highlights the key features of the product into an easy-to-read format. See here, there's highlighted here, the descriptions right over there. Yeah, and there you go. That's how you write product descriptions using ChatGPT.